in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a webcam to your PlayStation 5. So at the back of your PlayStation you should have some USB slots, as you can see. So all you need to do in order to add and use your webcam is to get the USB of your webcam, and then you will just plug it in here. So make sure you plug it in. Okay, so if your camera lights up, then that's a good sign, and here it should also show you that your camera is plugged in. So what do you have to do now in order to set it up? You will need to go into settings. So click on settings. Now I'm doing it with one hand, so excuse me about that. You want to go into accessories, so click on accessories, then other accessories, and here you can just adjust the HD camera if it's being recognized, so you will be able to find these settings here. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.